Hey there, we're going to try to make a traditional Spanish dish called croquetas. And I don't want to spoil the surprise. You'll kind of see what it's like, but we've experienced these at some bars and restaurants. And so our first step is to take some patatas or potatoes and chop those up. And really, the beginning is just like making mashed potatoes. So we're going to chop these up nicely. Then we're going to throw them into some hot water and let these boil and get really soft. Okay, time to do our mushy test. So we'll grab some here, do a little test. Oh yeah, those are ready to be mashed like mashed potatoes. So time to drain these and we'll go from there. Use the fork, keep mashing them. Some people don't like to add this, but I think it tastes better when you do. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there.
Butter.
Yep. Here, go ahead.
Okay.
Fork there, mix that in. Some people like to take the skin off the potato, but I find it more appealing that you keep it in there. Keep whipping those, keep an eye on you.
I don't.
Okay, I'm going to crack another joke here. This is where we get away from the potatoes, and we're going to add an egg to it. This is a croquettes recipe. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to add some of this spice here. We love oregano. We're going to throw that guy in there. And croquettes, you can really make however you want. You can put meat in there, keep stirring it, yeah, keep mashing it. You can go ahead and put cheese in there, vegetables. We like to have a little bit of spice and a little bit of cheese as well. It's like a cream cheese, but it's got some herbs in it as well. So we're going to put some of that in there. And that should help. Go ahead.
Okay.
We're getting close here. Good, good, good. Yeah, and we've got a nice mashed potato consistency. Now we just need to let this cool, and that's going to be letting it come to room temperature. So we can expedite that by putting it in the fridge if you want, or we can just leave it out here. I'm cool with whatever.
It just takes a little time.
No, we didn't have time to put it in here, but
It's oregano.
yeah. We're gonna make a little egg bath here because they're gonna do a little bit of dipping. I'm not gonna say skinny dipping because there's probably some fat in this dish. That's what makes it delicious. Okay, so the potatoes have cooled off, and now we're going to make the croquettes. First thing we're gonna do is throw some oil in the pan, and we will be frying these things up. A multi-step process here. So now we've got our mashed potatoes. We're going to take those in a little chunk. Take that chunk, then we dunk in the eggs here. And then once those have been covered in the eggs, we're going to put them in. Imagine it's almost like breadcrumbs that have been fried up a little bit. And then take that whole thing, dunk that into some oil, let that fry for a little bit. Bam, got a croquette. All right. Got a little ball here. We're gonna coat it in the eggs and then coat it in the bread. You want to make sort of a log with them. That's the idea. I suppose you can do it any shape you want, but you want to cover it as much as you can with breadcrumbs. And then once you've got it covered, drop that in the oil. Okay, this is how they turned out, and here's from the bag how they would have turned out if I did them like a pro, but you know what? I'm pretty happy with these. Let's go ahead and try these out.
Well, these look like a nice Spanish dish.
Well, they didn't turn out like I've seen in the restaurants, but let's give it a try, okay? I'm going to take the crunchy one here.
Okay.
Oh, that one fell apart. Okay, I'll take this crunchy one, you take that one, there.
Okay.
Bon appetit. But as they say in Spain, buen provecho. Okay.
Derecho.
Yeah. I'm going to give you a cross section here. Oh yeah, look at that.
Steaming.
Yeah, steaming, very soft on the inside, but crunchy on the outside. Good taste here. Mmm. Tell me what you're thinking here. In 4 words. 4 words.
Hearty. warm food.
Potato can be one of the words.
And Spanish. I feel like it's a typical Spanish flavor that I would find at a restaurant. It honestly is a little bit bland, but my Spanish palate is not refined yet to the standards of Spain.
You know, that's the thing. It's like a French fry, but we can't call it that because we're in
True.
Spain. But it's you know, you take potato and you fry it, and I'm tasting the herbs. You're getting a little bit of the crunch on the outside, and that's nice. And the cheese, you get a bit, and it's not overwhelming. I don't feel like I'm full. I've only eaten half of one, so just keep going
Not
here.
full yet. I think a French fry is a great way to describe it. It is like fried potato. It's like you want salt on it, you want to dip it in something, but
Yeah, exactly. It's a Coca-Cola maybe. I think this is a good first attempt. So
I agree.
here's to many more.
Many more.